What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. It's only right I come out of retirement with a bombshell of a title, guys. I'm sure you guys have all heard, and if you haven't by now, Adidas has officially severed ties with Yeezy, with Ye, rather. Um, wow. We're going to cover a lot in this video. As you can see, Ye's kind of been on a tirade if you guys aren't familiar. It's a far cry from what used to be. All I can think about right now is like how far he's really come. Like he had the Nike deal, of course, before. If you guys aren't familiar with those pairs, I'll throw them up right here. Those are legendary in their own right, but he was on Sway arguing for his life years ago. You ain't got the answer, Sway. That's what he would say. We all know that familiar and famous line about not having the infrastructure. I think about this photo here, when he was showcasing just how far that empire had come. And now that leads us to this, where he made headlines, of course, at Paris Fashion Week by wearing his White Lives Matter tee. Here he is pictured with Candace Owens, and he opened kind of another can of worms with that. And I'm not really here to provide a platform to argue either side, but yeah, he really knew what he was doing, making a statement with his piece there. And I just want to take a moment to say really quick, just for the record, because I know some bozos are gonna take it the wrong way, but I'm not condoning or supporting anything that is truly like anti-Semitic and just like not moral. It's really wrong, and this video is really just to highlight what the hell is going on right now. And we're gonna get to the meat of it here in just a second, but Ye was on his tirade. He recently appeared on Tucker Carlson where he justified really, why he wore the tee. He doubled down on White Lives Mattering, and it wasn't quite the worst thing that he was saying yet, but he really doubled down on his theory that he was untouchable after making anti-Semitic comments on Twitter and everything else before he got banned, essentially saying that he was going to go hard on all the Jewish people that have wronged him. If you're not too familiar, he's basically at war with people that are like the heads of record labels, the people that are in the head of the media, and he has called them out on Instagram by name, of course, and he just thinks that although they do share something in common by being Jewish, he's really attacking them and thinking that he's making a statement as a result. And since then, we've seen some of his best friendships and bridges actually collapse, like the severed ties with Balenciaga. And we've seen some hateful people feel entitled to do dumb shit like this. This just happened in LA not too long ago, I believe. And yeah, the picture speaks for itself. I don't agree with the message at all. I don't agree with what they're trying to do. But as a result of all of this, Adidas has finally made a statement. And as you guys can see right here, they're not too happy about what he's been saying. They basically share that they immediately are cutting off any partnership with him. They expect 250 million in losses in income. He's claimed he makes up like 60 something percent of their online sales. So the partnership, it's definitely it was something that benefited both companies greatly. It allowed him to become a billionaire, but at this point, Adidas has said enough is enough. And the first thing I could think of is how resellers and just the secondary sneaker market is going to be affected. I think there could be a whole case study that's probably going to be done on how the prices of Yeezys are going to go now. Adidas had some mention in that press statement basically that they reserve they still maintain the rights and images to some of the sneakers and models or something like that. So who knows, maybe they'll still be able to release Yeezy, but all I could think about is how people like 2J's Kicks are going to be eating right now, raising the price. It is what it is. Get it how you live. I can't hate on it. But let me know what you guys think. And furthermore, what is next for Kanye? Does he have the infrastructure now and the support to just do this on his own? He claims to be worth several $billions. Can you guys see him operating with his own Yeezy stores? He does have the trademarks for them, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see them in the future. But furthermore, let me know what you guys think about just everything that he's been going through. I know it's not easy losing a best friend in Virgil, losing your family, and having these mental health issues, especially so publicly. But he is a great. It's hard to discredit what he has done. All I can say in closing is that I hope that everything works out the way it's supposed to. I pray that he's safe, and he can get some healthy help, and he'll figure it out. If there's anybody that could do it, it's Ye. The dude is literally like Shakespeare of our time, and thank you guys for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for hanging in there. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. How do you guys feel about this? Are you totally done with Yeezy? Will you ever wear Yeezys again? What's your favorite pair, if any? And let me know what you guys think, guys. As always, thank you for tuning in. Give us a follow on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food. Stay safe, stay blessed, and yeah, I'm just shocked. Adidas finally dropped him, so we'll see what's next in store. I just hope it has a good ending for him. And everybody, stay safe, guys. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen.